people, my people, my people, my people. What time is it? Somebody tell me, what time is it? What time is it, somebody?
6 minutes to 7.
Thank you, Dahlia. 6 minutes to 7. We've been here since 6 o'clock. And Dahlia, before the break, asked you, did you wash your hands this morning? If you didn't, go wash your hands right now. Quick, 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 because I'm about to introduce you to the CEO of Cosmic Woman. All right? She is our guest on set right now. She's a holistic womb wellness specialist that focuses on healing the female reproductive system. I'm speaking about none other than Ramona Spence-Riley. She's been trying to reach out to me for a while to give me a session, and I am very embarrassed to say that I didn't think we were going to be meeting on set. I thought we would be meeting in your office. But I'm glad that we can share your information and share your tips with the world. Good morning.
Good morning, darling.
Hey, good to see you. Ramona, it's also Endometriosis month.
Correct.
Right? So I want to talk about the reproductive system. Let's start with everything that you offer. Okay. And then we can go into endometriosis and what we need to do, what it is. So let me just sit back in here. Consultation.
Okay. I'm a holistic practitioner focusing on the reproductive system. So I use a lot of natural methods to heal or treat or just help with the symptoms that the woman might be suffering from. So we usually do consultations, phone consultations, or in-person consultations where I create treatment plans for each client so that they can buy the products that they will need and then execute. I've been here in Jamaica probably about 5 years back and forth doing this. The company actually started in South Carolina. So we have a international base in terms of US and everywhere else, and then of course here in Jamaica as well.
Excellent. What does a consultation look like? Or what kind of problems would we come to you with?
Okay, so you'd come to me if you had painful periods or long periods or any kind of symptoms with the period. Because my job is to educate women and to help women have a symptom-free period, right? A one-day period if you even want one.
Stop it.
I promise.
Stop it.
I promise.
Dahlia, one-day period. You have a story. You have first-hand experience with challenges as a woman. Tell us your story for a minute and how you healed.
I had adenomyosis, which is like a cousin of endometriosis.
Sorry, say that again. Let me write it.
Adenomyosis.
Adenomyosis.
And basically, it is inside of the uterus. It is a disease that affects the inside, whereas endo is more of the outside of the uterus. So going through that, I felt very alone. There was a lot of depression. There was a lot of, because I was supposed to have a hysterectomy at 29. So there was a lot going on mentally, emotionally for me. And after healing myself, I realized that I really can't be the only one. My condition is not as popular as endometriosis, but a lot of women are suffering more than ever before with adenomyosis as well. So after healing myself, I just figured, you know, I can't be the only one. I'm going to try and help other women. So, you know, I went back to school and studied herbology and reflexology and all these different things in terms of reproductive, holistic, and also from the birth world as well. I do a lot of things with the birth world. So from there, I just started Cosmic Woman. And that's
Cosmic
pretty much...
Woman. What are some of the, I'm trying to see, like, what do you offer us? Is it herbal teas? Is
all
it
kinds of stuff. So it's teas, it's vitamins, it's treatments, supplements. It's teaching you how to breathe, how to have a complete breath so that their oxygen is actually getting to your organs, getting to your lungs. Just awareness itself on the body. We do a lot of couples things as well in terms of sex therapy. We do a lot of classes as well. So there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on.
Interesting. And endometriosis now, give us a rundown about what that is and how can women contact you, or what type of services should they seek if they're suffering from endo?
Okay, well, endo is really common. We're talking about 1 in every 10 women, if not maybe 1 in every 8 at this rate, the way it is just speeding up. Endometriosis a lot of times starts from when we're younger, from when we're teenagers. And it is put off as, oh, she has painful periods, she has, you know, and that's pretty much it. Until it is that she's probably trying to get pregnant, or the pain is just, she's just being murdered by the pain. And that is usually when they suspect, oh, this could be endometriosis. It is very much about the lining of the uterus. It creates a lot of scar tissue, it creates a lot of pain. So women with endometriosis are going to have, of course, painful periods where they want to strip their clothes off and lie on a cold tile just to help, maybe it might numb it, or live with a heating pad on their belly all day, every day. There's a lot of leg pain, joint pain, of course, depression. Infertility that comes with that, because of course now, you know, the uterus isn't working the way it should work, so things are just not happening the way it should because of the hormones. So when it comes to diet, when it comes to doing different types of treatments, it's important. For my clients, I do a lot of things like navel candling. We do
navel candling.
Yes, it's using a muslin cloth made candle that that pulls out toxins out of the digestive system, because a lot of times the reproductive system, especially with endo, your digestive system is always affected. So we work not just on the reproductive, but also the digestive and the circulatory as well, because they kind of go hand in hand, you know.
All right, so where do we find you for more consultation?
Okay, so I'm on IG at Cosmic Woman.
I'm sorry, for some of the women who don't know what IG is, it is
Instagram.
Instagram.
At Cosmic Woman, and the womb is WOMBMAN.
Yes.
I'm also on Facebook as that as well. You can contact us if you are in Jamaica. Our number is 406-2764. And if you are in anywhere else in Jamaica, I mean anywhere else in the world, the number would be area code 803-269-7587. WhatsApp is the best way. DMs, inboxes are the best way. It's a really safe place. Feel free to express yourself. No matter who you are, no matter what the situation is, there's never any judgment.
Oh, Ramona, unfortunately, we have to go to a break because there's so many more things we could talk about. Fibroids and women, diet. How do we, you know, shrink our fibroids? How do we prevent fibroids from growing?
There's a lot.
There's a lot. So thank you for what you do.
You're welcome.
And we do need to catch up.
Yes, we do, we do.
Because I'm all about that healthy reproductive system, my people. Ramona Spence-Riley, CEO of Cosmic Woman. All right, holistic womb wellness specialist. How is COVID-19 changing human interactions? We will discuss that after the break. Stay with us.